what's your name?
Oh, Michael. Michael Belch.
And where are you from?
The U.S. I grew up in South America. I live in Taiwan.
Okay, cool. And what are you doing right now in Taiwan?
Right now I'm talking to Emily. For a career, I teach Spanish at Morrison Christian Academy.
Okay, cool. And what is something God is teaching you right now?
Something God is teaching me right now is to really rely always on the Bible, both for encouragement and grace and growth, and also for answers to questions that I have and that people around me have.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.